Hey, Zombie Mob, Jason with Day Trading Fearless with some breaking news update on Zinu, Zombie Inu, right? So they just had a kind of conference call on Twitter, made a video earlier about that, and I'll just kind of give you guys a quick rundown and a quick update of what they said. So now you could go to Zombie Inu, okay, to their YouTube page, okay, if you click on this, on their Twitter, Zombie Inu is their, their webpage, and what they have are these guys, right? They actually have, these are their NFTs, their animated traits in their NFTs. They pretty much were saying this has never been done yet. What they're looking at doing, you could see what's going on in the video. So it's kind of pretty cool. I know I'm going to be trying to get one of these NFTs. I think they're awesome. So that's the first thing. So again, go to their Twitter page, Zombie Inu, or Zinu token. You could find it there. The second thing is they now have augmented reality that they're teaming up with, okay? They're teaming up with Augmentedly and also Stay Healthy. And essentially, it's an app that they're coming out where you're going to be able to kind of take pictures with the Zombie Inu. Look how cute that guy is. So some really cool things, past projects that these people have worked with, right? Netflix, Ford, Nickelodeon, but really cool. I'm excited to see what they do with the app side of it. Okay. And then they are actually official. Zombieverse Holdings LLC. They are officially open for business. This is a real business, guys. This is not just one of those fly-by-night companies. I think a lot of stuff that they're going to be doing is going to be amazing, right? They talked about how they added a couple new members that they hired onto the team. So that's kind of really cool. They are growing. They've talked about the zombie game that's going to be coming out, the Zombie Inu game, which sounds really cool. And essentially what they were saying was they're flipping most zombie games is where you are killing the zombies. Well, guess what? We are the zombie mob. We are Zombie Nation, right? And so in the video game, they're flipping that around where the humans are trying to get everything back in order and the zombies are killing the humans. I think that's going to be awesome. I think there's a lot of really cool things that's actually going to be coming out with it. Again, the NFT over 1,000, they're coming out with a new merch. The game should be released probably in 2022 sometime, they were saying. Also, they're coming out with a zombie den, and they're going to be doing a beta, and which is cool because if you come over here, go to their website, right, Zinu token, click on the zombie, this t.me, and that will take you into their Telegram room, and you could kind of ask questions, anything like that. And they're talking about doing opening up the Zombie Den, which is a social network for all zombie holders. So when you log in, it'll tell you how many tokens you own in your wallet, all these different things, which is totally cool. But they're going to be doing a beta testing of it. So if you're interested in it, again, go to their Telegram. Here's the link for it. And then also their website right here will take you right there. Go read the white paper if you haven't seen them. Again, I'm not trying to pump these guys at all. You guys know me, I'm a stock market guy. But this is something that somebody brought to me. And as I've been doing my homework, I am really liking this as a true business, okay? I feel like this is a business where you're able to go in the early days and buy, right? You don't need to be an accredited investor. You don't have to do all that. It's for the everyday people. And like I said, I don't want this stock to be pumped. I want this to grow like any other business. So if we could just have a steady up climb with our pullbacks, things like that. But this is what I'm hoping for. It sounds like a real business. And the guys, everybody from Dale and everybody, they're on top of it. They're always there. If you ask questions, they're on top of it. And they're all passionate. So make sure you check it out. Go to their Twitter, kind of read, go watch their new video and all that. So, and again, this is not financial advice. You guys have to make your own decisions, do your homework, but I'm just trying to give you a quick rundown of what they said this evening in their Twitter Spaces meetup group we just got off the thing with. So, if you guys have any questions, like I said, go there, put them in my comments. Hope you guys are great. I'm not part of the Zombie team. I'm not endorsed by them. I am just a holder of the tokens and believe deeply in the project. So until next time, we'll talk to you guys soon. Oh, one last thing. Let's take a look at the stock. I did a thing earlier. I told you guys Ether had not broken out yet, but we looked at the Binance or the Binance site. It already broke out, and look at this. We finally are breaking out of this bull flag. So everything looks good on the charts. I feel like this 15 level was a major level, right? Because that was the last high from all of this. I would not be surprised if we retest these highs within the next couple days, couple weeks. But the chart looks healthy, and that's it. So have a good day, guys, and we'll talk to you next time.